guys, it's Lizette from Chrisette Designs, and I'm going to show you how to do the roots of the branch that goes on Twigalina's head, which will look like that when you're finished. So you should be on the part that says roots of branch and make 4, and you do not cut your yarn from that last row on the branch piece, and then you just start straight from there, so you don't have to sew these branches onto the branch to the stump part. So you chain 7, then slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, do a slip stitch, one slip stitch in the next 3 chains, and then single crochet in the next 2, which are the last 2 of the chain here. So 1 and 2. Single crochet, and again in the last one. Then it says skip the next stitch on the branch base. So I'm talking about this last row you did. Here's the stitch that we're in right here. You're gonna skip the next one, slip stitch to the next 2. So here's 1 slip stitch and 2 slip stitches, and now you have your first branch done on the tree stump that goes on her head. So let's do the next one. You start back at the beginning, chain 7, slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. So here's the first chain, second chain, slip stitch into that, then 1 slip stitch in the next 3, and then single crochet in the last 2 chains that are left, which are here. 1 single crochet and the last one of the chain 7. So we got our second root made, and then again, like I said before, skip the next stitch on the branch. Here's where our root is in. We're going to skip that one, slip stitch into here, and slip stitch again in the one after that. Okay, so now we have 2 branches done on our tree stump, and you keep going around until you have 4 altogether. Thanks for purchasing my pattern, and if you have any questions, you can comment in the video, you can email me, whichever way you prefer.
Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Is this not why you are here?